Depression is a mental health disorder characterized by persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, or loss of interest in activities that were once enjoyable. It can affect how you think, feel, and handle daily activities, and it can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. You may ask, what are the symptoms that show I am depressed or experiencing depression? Number 1 is persistent sadness or feelings of emptiness. Another one is loss of interest or pleasure in activities once enjoyed. Sometimes when your appetite changed and you start adding or losing weight, you might be depressed. When you find it hard to sleep or you are oversleeping, you might be undergoing depression. When you have difficulty concentrating, feel you are worthless with excessive guilt, or you are having constant thoughts of committing suicide or death, it can be a sign that you are depressed. Depression can be mild or severe, and you need to do something about it as soon as possible. The causes of depression are environmental factors, comparing yourself to others, and seeing yourself as not achieving what you want to, or what others have achieved can make you depressed and feel low about yourself. Social media. Social media is full of people achieving great milestones, buying luxurious cars and houses, wearing the best clothes and shoes, and eating the best food. But what you don't know that some or most of these are just for content and are not real. Many of the social media lives are fake. These people have their own problems, which may even be much more than yours. They will only show you what they want you to see and what will fetch them more money. Never think low of yourself. Spiritual factor. You need to understand that life is spiritual and the spiritual manifest in the physical. Sometimes depression can be an influence of an evil spirit that doesn't want you to live your best life or fulfill your God-given destiny. So when next you are depressed or you feel depressed, open your mouth and cast that evil spirit out in the name of Jesus. I promise you it will leave you. You have one life to live, and you must try your best possible to live it well. You need to see the reason to live and live it well. It is very important to seek professional and spiritual help and the support of loved ones. Dealing with depression can sometimes be difficult and challenging, but there are things you need to do or steps you need to take. The first thing is to speak out and reach out. Talk to someone you trust, whether it's a friend, family member, or mental health professional. Sharing your feelings can provide relief and support. Seek professional help. Consider reaching out to a therapist, counselor, or psychiatrist who can provide guidance, therapy, and prayers.
Stay connected. Maintain social connections with family, friends, and loved ones, even if it's challenging. Do not disconnect yourself from the assembly of believers. Spending time with others and engaging in activities you enjoy can help lift your mood. Limit stress. Identify sources of stress in your life and find ways to manage or minimize them. Setting realistic goals and boundaries can help reduce feelings of overwhelm. Focus on small goals. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your achievements along the way. Accomplishing even small goals can boost your mood and motivation. Challenge negative thoughts. Pay attention to your thought patterns and try to reframe negative thoughts in a more balanced or positive light. Cognitive behavioral therapy techniques can be helpful for this. Don't be idle, rather stay active. Engage in activities that you find enjoyable or fulfilling, even if you don't feel like it at first. Hobbies, interests, or volunteering can provide a sense of purpose and distraction from negative thoughts. Give yourself time. Recovery from depression takes time, and it's okay to have ups and downs along the way. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Remember, it's essential to seek help if you're struggling with depression. You don't have to go through it alone. Talk to someone today. Remember, when there is life, there is hope.